Loco number 4, named Edward Thomas, is cold, ready for our trip up the 6.5-mile line. The guard alights to help the train up the 1 in 60 climb. Back in 1961, volunteer staff didn't always have uniform, it seems. This is number 6, Douglas, approaching Pendra, the station at the east end of TYWYN, where the engineering functions are located. The first of 5 request stops, which consist of little more than a name board. They mostly serve farms. The passing loop here has since been removed, and trains now stop only by request. A rather severe speed restriction for track needing attention. We continue climbing gently up the Fathu Valley. Popular stop. A light to view the magnificent waterfall nearby. But not the slate quarry, which was the reason the line was built back in the 1860s. Looks like it's payday. Over the years since this was filmed, much has changed at this station, and passenger service has been extended by 3/4 of a mile. That odd-looking chimney is a Giesel ejector, an Austrian invention said to improve loco efficiency. It's since been removed from number 4. we start the return journey. We arrive back at Towyn Wharf station, where facilities have been greatly improved since this was filmed.